it broke his heart. It's not your life. As in vamoose. Marriage is the ultimate. I had guilty conscience. They're not marriage material. Enjoy your safe. Hey fam, hey guys, hey everyone, welcome again to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Deka, Diary of an Abuja Mom. I'm the number one the number one kind mama of Abuja, of Nigeria, of the world, and I'm super guys, like I'm a bloke, like, you know. And today I'm going to be doing like a talk with you guys. I'm going to just be reminiscing on some of the things that I did when I was single and I cannot do now, or maybe like I don't do as much as I used to do before. I know a lot of moms can relate, a lot of women can relate, and if you can relate and you would like to see this, then keep watching. The first thing, guys, I did when I was single, you know, that I cannot do now, guys, I dated. Obviously I can't date now, but I dated, guys. And I feel like when you're in your 20s, or when you're not married, when you're not even in a serious relationship, because there are some relationships that are very serious, heading towards marriage, you know, not a lot of the rings type. I'm really a girl that flexes. Like, I like to flex, I like to go out, I like to hang out. I'm the kind of person that, guys, I'll be tired now, be complaining, hey, I've been working too much, I don't clean house finish, I don't mop house finish, I don't mop the whole compound, mop the whole, you know, main road, mop everywhere. I'll be complaining, I'll be tired, I'll be like, then somehow my phone will just ring, somebody will just come out and just say, hello, how far now? I'm tired, oh, I'm tired. Oh really, you're tired? Okay, hey, I won't be time more come out before, I want more just go somewhere, go chill. Oh boy, if you see the way I would jump up, like the way I would fly up, the tiredness goes. Because, you know, most times when people marry, it's almost like you've entered a bondage that you cannot do a lot of things again. So for those that are entering those kind of bondage, for me, date well. Dating does not mean you shouldn't be sleeping around, though. If you want to sleep around, now your cup of tea, now you I can't judge. No judgment here, we don't judge. Meet other people, be picky about guys, be picky about girls. Don't just meet one guy or one girl and just feel like this guy is my life. He's not your life. You're going to see another person that you still think that person is your life. I know Nigerians are very judgmental. The moment they see a girl flexing, you know, dating, they feel like this girl na runs girl, this girl na whatever they want to call you. It doesn't matter. Don't settle for any Dick and Harry. Don't settle for anything that comes your way. Don't do pity dating. I've experienced it before and I didn't like him like that. I liked him as a human being because it was really nice, but I didn't like him to that level where I would say, okay, I'm dating him. And then when I now realized it was late, and when I told him, it broke his heart. Date somebody that you really like, you're attracted to, you want to be with. When I mean be with, doesn't mean be with the rest of your life, because you can date somebody that just want to date somebody for the moment. Like, enjoy yourself, sis. Nobody's going to judge you. Not me, Sha. I mean, I'm not going to judge you. For me, if you have kids, guys, you can't have your alone time. When you're married, you can have your alone time. Oh, let me not lie. If you have a hubby that travels every time, maybe he works in other states, or rig, or, you know, people don't just live together, you can have your alone time. Of course, you can be alone in the house, but when you have kids, guys, please, you cannot. You guys watch my vlog, sometimes you just want to lie down, you just want to have you just want to think, just think straight for once. Just next thing you just say is mom, like you'll be like, Jesus, like sometimes I don't even talk, I was like this, as in vamoose. And now I have a baby, you cannot even have a relaxing moment except the baby is sleeping. They want you to carry them, they want to be seeing your face, they want to know that this man never leave me baggy, has never leave me run. I miss that about when I was single. Now if you want to go, Jina will be asking you a question like, say, like, no, not two way, now you be your madam, she could tell you, mom, where are you going to? When you be like, I'm going to the market, she'll be like, dressed up like that, like as in, I suppose wear rag they go market. I don't understand. If you're single now, whether you're searching or not, whether you're mingling or not, please enjoy your alone time. Enjoy it. I know most people want to get married. I know marriage is the ultimate for some people. When you're single, now you're single, enjoy your safe, sleep as much as you want, go out as much as you want, have spa dates, go for massages, dress up, make up or don't make up, go out on your own, spend your cash, pop champagne, enjoy yourself, because now you will be doing it once. It depends on how your marriage is. You'll be doing it once, but it won't be as, you know, it won't be like I don't know how people will react to this, but for me, another thing that now it's difficult, guys. There's some secrets I can't keep. Leave sale, they try form sale, you know, we're bows, we're dish kind. So some people get will be at more shy, some people have strong mind, but on a normal level, when you're married and maybe you marry somebody that you really love, that you really like, there's some things that when you're single you can keep it, you know, to you, yourself, your Jesus Christ, your Holy Spirit. Only on I go just know him. But now you just feel like, I can remember when, let me not lie, there's something that happened. I vlogged about it. I went out with my hubby's car, and the way I parked, I couldn't come out. So I now met this guy. He was just around. I was like, please, can you help me drive out, because I wanted to go. The guy now gave me his stuff. I now drove, can't scratch person moto, and my own car, of course. I was shocked, I was flabbergasted, I was scared. I was like, Jesus, hobby's car, like, why didn't they just carry my own? Fam, this guy just, you know, just came to me, just told me, oh, sorry. Just, I know how Abuja with their own for me. They used to do one kind of nonsense for me. They will not even be talking full. They will not be saying like sorry. They will be saying sorry. Like I see they don't fit talk. Like call the card format or hot food in their mouth. That's how this guy collected his stuff from my hand, because I was shocked. I was like, how they go, guys? To God who made me, I didn't want to tell him. I didn't want to talk. I was like, I'm just going to just go and fix it, keep quiet, live my life. Now so I can't go in mechanical. The Hispanebita, I met him, the guy fixed it. Guys, he fixed it. Oh, I did it myself. But my concord, I had guilty conscience, like serious concord was doing me. I had to tell him. And that's one thing about being married, I feel, because I mean, when I was single, but I don't even say, oh, I won't even tell. Say, I don't need to tell anybody. So these are some of the things that, like, this is just small. Oh, there's some big things that will just happen that you feel like maybe I'm not good. Your mind, you be like, I'm not going to tell him, next thing you just see yourself telling him. So, and I know, I was just talking about it with someone. I know people always say whatever you discuss with your married friend, just not say I hope you know him. It's not everybody that does that. I know maybe people do it. I don't think it should be a problem. If you feel like your friend is talking to her husband about your situation, maybe what you are discussing, then stop telling her. Simple. Number 4 of what, guys, that now I don't bomb me way decisions, guys. Like, there's so many decisions, there's so many things I want to do, there's so many decisions I want to take. Like, I cannot. There's this closeness your hubby will have that you just want to tell him before you decide something, and the same with him, he want to tell you even little things. Guys, I feel like something, I know I like her, I will not ask him, babe, you know, do you like this top? And he'll be like, no. Guys, I go stick by her. And it annoys me, because like, why did you not ask me? A small thing compared to which they talk, like serious decisions that even concerns you. This is my YouTube now. I was just discussing with him about how my AdSense money, I want to open another account, $1 account, and blah 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 blah. This decision I can take by myself. He doesn't even need to know, but I go to him for those kind of things. So unlike before, like I don't discuss this kind of things with my parents. When I was living with my parents, if I like, I could just gist them, but it won't bother me the way that if I don't discuss with him, it will bother me now. I know if you just wake up just say I want travel, they don't even bomb me where. It's not because he will not allow me travel. Why would I just travel? I'm a married woman. Even when you're in a relationship, let's be truthful, you will tell your boo, except you don't like the person, you will tell your boo, your whatever, that see, oh, I'm traveling. Whether he might say no or yes, but that's not the point. You will tell him, even just for security's sake. I miss sometimes, you know, just taking decisions by myself, just deciding that, oh boy, I won't travel tomorrow, and they go, you know, I won't go here, I won't go here, nobody's going to stop me, or I want to make this kind of financial purchase, I want to buy this, I want to do this, I want to do this life change. I miss doing those kind of things. One wish I have every day, like this thing, this one thing, I wish I lived on my own. Hey Jesus, without mother, without father, without Bobo, without sister, without maybe friend, or even sister. Maybe, yes, sister, if I'm renting a house or if I'm living together, but no mama, no papa, nobody started to be telling you come back now, no come back now. You could just use your head, they come back, or you know, die there, whatever. But guys, I wish I lived on my own for a while before I got married. I won't lie to you guys. From primary, secondary, I was in uni when I got married to my hubby, and the uni I went to, we lived together. Even if it's just 6 months or 1 year before I got married, I used to, when I see people that are single, are just, you know, living with their parents, and they can, like, they are working, they can afford to live on their own. I feel like, okay, maybe in their own style, but if it's not me, I would have lived on my own for a while, even if it's 1 room or whatever, like self-con, live for a while. But men also say that we see a lady living on her own, it means that she's kind of like spoiled. They're not marriage material, because her person not going to live for a partner. They feel living in your father's house makes you more grounded. I don't care if you think I'm free-spirited or I'm spoiled or I'm anything. I don't care. I just wished I would have lived on my own. That's all. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section one thing you did when you were single that you wish you can do now that you're married, or something you're doing now that you know that if you mistakenly marry now you feel not to do them again. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button to get notified, so whenever I post a new video you'll be the first to get it. And don't forget to share, very important. If you actually enjoyed my video, leave your comment, you know, in the comment box. And I love you guys so much for watching. Salute.